A Stafford County mom is at home safely tonight with her newborn baby girl after an incredible ordeal. Firefighters struggled to get to her during last week's big snowstorm. Then they had to guide her a quarter mile through the woods just to get her to a medic unit and then on to the hospital. Our Bruce LaShan has the story of a miracle in the blizzard.
The trees have been pushed back, the road is reopened, but what a story these parents have to tell.
She's been the sweetest baby. She just sleeps and eats.
Newborn Josephine still oblivious to the chaos surrounding her birth.
You can see there's a couple different creeks down there, and we had to go back up and over. The neighbors had some chicken wire. Some of it had fallen down.
Monday's storm left the couple's street impassable. So Mom Noelle, in active labor, had to walk through the snowy woods to the next road up just to get to a medic unit. A neighbor captured video of them trekking the last few feet.
I'd say maybe a quarter mile. It felt like a long time. She was having contractions like every 2 minutes, so she kept stopping and just let her breathe through it and try to encourage her, and then she was incredible. She really was.
Can you believe how incredible your wife is?
She's an amazing woman.
And as soon as you turned to the street, it was just trees.
Down.
Yeah, I mean, it's all you could see was trees.
Stafford County firefighter Jake Kenny and paramedic Andy Smith had to snake their gear through downed trees and branches just to get to the house. They thought they would have to deliver Josephine in the home, but worried about complications, Noelle insisted on the hike through the woods.
Yeah, Mom was superhuman.
Yeah, she was fantastic.
Absolutely one of the craziest things I've ever seen anybody do in the first place. And to be super pregnant and doing it, she was Superwoman.
They were so great. They just waited with me, and then we would continue walking and we would stop. It was like every 10 steps, I think.
And then the worst thing would have been to have that baby out in the woods.
They kept asking me, do you feel the urge to push?
That was one
like,
of
no.
Josephine was named for a patron saint of firefighters, but she'll never live down her mom's ordeal.
I am never going to let her forget about this night.
Every time she
Never.
gets sassy, every time she talks back, this is gonna be your mom walked through a snowstorm uphill both ways.
Maybe we'll just have a PowerPoint.
In Stafford County,
I know, Mom. You've told us a million times.
Bruce LaShan,
I had a baby in a snowstorm in a pandemic.
WUSA 9.